cure for cough to infants followed since decades. Instead of giving medicine straight away, let's use something available in our kitchen. The first one is kesar. Mix a few strands in the milk and make your baby drink it. Apply the same milk on the forehead of your babies. The another one is nutmeg or jaffle. You can put a pinch of its powder in your baby's mouth or can add it to any solid food. Note: this can be given only to the babies older than 6 months. Alternatively, you can also apply the paste of jaffle and mustard oil on the chest and toes of baby. It can be applied to babies of any age.